Welcome back and happy Friday. We made it to the end of another week. Right now we're taking a look at the clouds and fog that are really concentrated over our valley locations, mainly in San Luis Obispo County. So we can expect this to last really throughout about 10 o'clock before it starts to mix out, and then we'll be left with mostly clear skies. And your microclimate forecast really shows just that. Even as we continue into this afternoon and into this evening, we're going to continue to have those clear skies here for the Central Coast. Temperature-wise outside, close to the 30s for a lot of the interior valleys. As we get closer to the coast, we're right around the mid-40s for areas like San Luis Obispo, Santa Maria, as well as Vandenberg. A little bit warmer, though, towards your South Coast region, close to the mid-50s for Santa Barbara. And here's a look at what we can expect through the rest of your morning. By 10 o'clock, when that fog will start to mix out for the valleys, we're closer to the low 50s for Paso Robles, low 60s for San Luis Obispo, and then we continue to go up from there. It's possible a lot of these coastal valley locations will be right around the upper 60s. Some of our inland valleys could also reach about the low 70s today. And we do have a few advisories going into effect. So this one, a wind advisory for San Luis Obispo County and northern Santa Barbara County. We can see that these northeasterly winds will range from about 15 to 30 miles per hour. Those wind gusts overnight could pick up to about 45 miles per hour. And taking you down towards the South Coast region, this advisory is set to expire at 6 o'clock this morning, but we're still experiencing some gusty northerly winds in this region from the coast to those mountains and foothills. And just taking a look at the wind forecast, so we can see we're starting to pick up later this morning for areas like San Luis Obispo, and then we'll taper off for other valley locations heading into your afternoon. Remember, though, that advisory goes into effect at midnight for San Luis Obispo County heading towards the North Coast region. It's possible that some of these wind speeds could get up to about 20, maybe even 25 miles per hour in those overnight hours. And here's a look at your forecast dew point. So the reason I'm showing you this is because we do have such dry conditions here on the Central Coast. You know, we haven't seen much rain, and as these dew points get closer to about 10 degrees, 15 degrees, it just gives us that idea that we do continue to have that critical fire weather in our forecast here on the Central Coast. Now here's a look at your daytime highs. Low 60s for Paso Robles, upper 60s for areas like San Luis Obispo, Santa Maria, Vandenberg. So quite the difference compared to what we had yesterday. We're really starting to trend up with these temperatures. It's possible that parts of the Santa Ynez Valley could be reaching those low to mid 70s for your Friday. And taking a look at the 5 cities region, we're right around the mid to upper 60s. Even if you see at the bottom of your screen with your 7-day forecast, these temperatures, they'll continue to trend up through the end of your weekend, possibly even into the beginning of next week. We'll continue to be in the 70s for some of these valley locations. A little bit cooler today towards the North Coast, right around those low 60s. Back to you.